Affiliate marketing advice that draws visitors and their dollars. If you are a business owner or potential business owner with a relatively good network of contacts, you may benefit from affiliate marketing. The concept of people working together to maximize cash flow across multiple platforms can be a wise choice. This video provides tips and advice for those interested in affiliate marketing. Use affiliate ads as a service to your readers and make sure that it complements your content. Provide it as a way to send them in a right direction based on something you have said or recommended. This will make it seem less out of place, and more like a service you are providing. Track and analyze the exact source of every visitor to your affiliate links. By doing this, you can identify which marketing techniques are bringing in visitors and, more importantly, where visitors with the highest conversion rates originate. You can then concentrate your time and money on only the successful marketing techniques. When choosing which companies to align yourself with in affiliate marketing, choose companies that sell products your visitors are interested in purchasing. You earn more money when users click on or purchase products using your affiliate links, so it makes sense to choose things that are likely to interest your website visitors. Design your site for people. A well-designed site increases the probability that your visitors will follow the path that you want them to. If your site is messy and unorganized, you will never get a customer who understands your product, let alone one that wants to buy what you're selling. Affiliate marketing is a reasonable approach because there is very little risk to either party. With the advice in this video, you should be ready to try your hand at a bit of affiliate marketing and bring in some extra cash. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.